Today, I'm going to show you how to make dango. To make dangos, you need mochiko or sweet rice flour. I got this at H-Mart for only a few dollars. There are many different kinds of soy sauce available in the US. Personally, I recommend Kikkoman's all-purpose soy sauce. Here are the ingredients. Ingredients are also listed in the description below. Alright, let's cook. 5 ounces of rice flour. Add water little by little while mixing it. Knead a dough. The dough should be firm enough that it will hold its shape when rolled into a ball, but moist enough that it isn't dry or powdery. Make 12 small balls. Boil dangos with medium heat for about 6 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent the dangos from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Drain the dangos in a colander and place them in cold water to cool. Drain the dangos in a colander. Put 4 dangos on each skewer. Add oil to a pan. Brown the dangos in a pan. To make Mitarashi sauce, add 4 tablespoons of water. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. One tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix well. Heat the sauce on the stove until the sauce becomes thicker. Coat dangos with the sauce. That's it. Delicious dangos are ready. Enjoy!